I just got this blue chiffon Rose of Sharon from Proven Winners, and it looks beautiful. I just planted this 2 days ago. Princess Alexandria of Kent. Distant drums. Try not to get white out. Summer Romance. Ancient Mariner has been in, oops, shattered, has been in bloom for a while now. Anyway, my zinnias are starting to go over, but they look beautiful, and the butterflies are happy. These are adorable. I wish I remembered their names. They're a dragon fruit. If you look that up, dragon fruit rose, it'll give it to you. The Lady Gardener, and this is about 4 feet tall. Dahlia blooms. More dahlia blooms. This is Cafe au Lait, and obviously these are spent, so I'm going to have to pluck them so that these other ones can come. New bloom on my Celestial Night standard tree rose. And then that's next to another dahlia. And more blooms are coming. It happened to be one of my favorite new purchases this year. It's the pink cashmere super beamers. And this one happens to be in the middle of apricot drift roses. And then here are my Gomphrenas, and they look magnificent. Here's another pink cashmere. I planted these white salvias, and on this side I have to edge. This grass just grows crazy. But here are my Senorita Rosalitas Cleomes in the morning sun. These are my plumbagos. They've like quadrupled in size since I planted them. And they look beautiful. I love this color. Huge. It's as tall as my iPhone, so 7 inches round. And it's my Edge of Summer hibiscus. And then this is my Mrs. B.R. Kent. I had another major flush. And it puts out beautiful roses. It is in full blast, full sun, no shade in Central Florida, Zone 9B. These are doing great. I think these are coneflowers, and the bee loves it. Look at that. And let's walk this way. I threw a whole bunch of salvia seeds down today. This is my apricot drift roses, and I guess I missed some weeds here. These oxalis kill me. They wood sorrel or something. Anyway, here are my, I guess you can't see with the sun coming. These are my crepe myrtles. This is a blackberry lily. That's gonna have to get relocated. And here are my I have some Taylor junipers growing in the back. Oh man, this is already, I must have done this backwards, huh? Oh, I have to show you my sunflower. Here's one sunflower with a nasty bug on it. A long leaf-legged thing. And then this is one sunflower. Can't really see it in the sun too much, but there's my other one. And it's gotta be 8 feet tall. Oh, gotta pass by the Mannington mauve that's trying to grow up my, what is this, trellisless trellis. But check, ooh, why are spider webs always face level, mouth level specifically? Here's a butterfly. And let's see how, oh yeah, that's huge. It's absolutely huge. Can I get over there without stepping on things? Yes, I can. Here we go. Look how beautiful.